Welcome to Crazy Dashcam. Today we will analyze the cause of not paying attention while participating in traffic. Traffic is an indispensable part of modern life. Every day, millions of people worldwide engage in traffic, from commuting to work and school to personal activities. However, each time we hit the road, it's not just speed, road signs, or lanes that matter. Paying attention is the most crucial factor to ensure safety for yourself and those around you. Just a moment of distraction or a slight lapse in focus can lead to severe consequences. Traffic accidents. Not paying attention while driving has become one of the leading causes of collisions and serious accidents globally. In this video, we will explore the causes of distraction when participating in traffic, the serious consequences it can bring, and how to minimize these risks. Chapter 1. Common reasons for failing to pay attention while driving using electronic devices. The advancement of technology brings great convenience to life, but also leads to dangers while driving. One of the most common causes of distraction is the use of mobile phones or other electronic devices while driving. Texting, calling, or even just checking notifications can cause drivers to miss important changes on the road. According to many studies, just 5 seconds of looking at your phone can cause your vehicle to travel dozens of meters without full control. Not only phones, but entertainment systems, GPS, or other in-car electronic devices are also sources of distraction. Instead of focusing on the road, many people get caught up in adjusting music or checking GPS, leading to dangerous situations. Fatigue and drowsiness. Another reason drivers lose focus is fatigue or sleepiness. When the body feels tired, our reflexes and ability to observe decrease significantly. Driving while sleep-deprived reduces reaction speed and increases the risk of accidents. Many studies suggest that driving while fatigued is as dangerous as driving under the influence of alcohol. Lack of sleep impairs judgment and makes drivers more likely to lose focus, missing important traffic cues. Talking or arguing in the car. Conversations between drivers and passengers can also be a source of distraction. Especially when arguments or emotionally charged discussions occur, drivers may lose focus on their surroundings. While communication in the car is normal, it can reduce the necessary attention required when operating a vehicle. When the mind is preoccupied with other matters, drivers tend to react more slowly and may miss important warning signs on the road. External distractions. External factors such as roadside scenes, bright billboards, or events happening around can cause drivers to lose focus. Sometimes, just an interesting billboard or a construction site by the road is enough to divert attention from driving. Bright lights, car horns, or emergency vehicles on the move can also cause drivers to become distracted, leading to delayed reactions to unexpected situations. Chapter 2. Consequences of failing to pay attention in traffic collisions and traffic accidents. Not paying attention is one of the leading causes of traffic collisions. According to statistics from traffic safety agencies, hundreds of thousands of accidents each year are related to distracted driving. Actions such as texting, failing to check mirrors when changing lanes, or not paying attention while merging are common causes of these accidents. Consequences on life and health. Traffic accidents don't just result in material damage. Many serious accidents claim lives or leave long-term injuries for survivors. Failing to pay attention can prevent drivers from reacting in time to dangerous situations, leading to devastating crashes. Beyond physical injuries, traffic accidents leave heavy psychological impacts on both victims and their families. Many people live with fear, anxiety, or guilt after witnessing or causing an accident. Property damage and economic costs. Traffic collisions often come with significant repair costs, compensation for damages, and even legal fees. In severe accidents, these costs can reach tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Additionally, medical expenses and economic losses due to the inability to work after an accident become a heavy burden for many families. Chapter 3. Ways to avoid and improve focus while participating in traffic education and raising awareness. To reduce traffic accidents, ongoing education and raising awareness about the dangers of not paying attention are crucial. Media campaigns, driving school lessons, and community programs can help people better understand the consequences of distraction. Driver assistance technologies. Modern technology has provided useful tools to help drivers stay focused when operating vehicles. Collision warning systems, lane keeping assist, and driver alert systems are prime examples of safety technology. However, no matter how advanced the technology is, the ultimate responsibility still lies with the driver. Strict traffic law enforcement. Many countries have implemented strict laws regarding the use of mobile phones while driving. In some places, this behavior can result in fines or even the suspension of driving privileges. The application of strict legal measures is necessary to deter and reduce the number of violations. Personal responsibility and awareness. Finally, the most important factor is the awareness of each individual participating in traffic. Everyone on the road must understand that attention and focus not only protect themselves but also safeguard the lives of those around them.
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community and let's explore more new things together.
О, в'їбались. Бля, цікаво, чи в мене камера зняла. Фак!
Oh, he just went through a red light. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Holy Holy Oh my god! Oh my god! Dumb shit.
Every detail.
Holy
Searching for a glimpse at his past.
god damn.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.